welcome back to class. Happy new week. Yes, so today we're going to be learning about addition and subtraction of decimal fractions, right? So for those of our friends that find it difficult to add whole numbers and fractions together, you're going to learn how to do that today. Now let's dive into it. Solution. Question 1, we have 4 plus 5.2. Now our 4 here is a whole number, right? So what we'll have to do is to put a decimal and add 0 to it. In some cases we can leave it blank, but for the benefit of those that don't understand how it is done and why a 0 is attached to it, they'll understand it better this way. So we add 0 plus 2 is 2, 4 plus 5 is 9. And then we'll put our decimal between 9 and 2. Okay? And that's that for question 1. Question 2, we have 2.31 plus 5.6. Alright? Now here, this part is blank. We can either leave it this way or we add a 0 to complete the question. So 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus 6 is 9, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So what do we do next? We put our decimal between 7 and 9. Question 3, 3.78 plus 1.15. Okay? So we add them together. 8 plus 5 is 13. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we'll put our decimal between 4 and 9. Then question 4 says 4.867 plus 2.32. And of course, we add a 0 here to fill up the blank space. Then 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Write 1 and carry 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 1 here is 7. And we'll put our decimal between 7 and 1. That makes it 7.187. Good. Question 5, we have 3.671 plus 2.315. Okay? So we add them together. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus 2 is 5. We put our decimal between 5 and 9 because we need to follow the pattern in which the question is arranged. Okay? Alright, we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope this helps you to excuse me, solve questions that have to do with addition and subtraction of decimal fraction. In our next class, I'll teach you how to subtract fractions, decimal fractions. Okay? Do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next class. Bye!